Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the source. Identify whether spoken feedback or notification cues are active. Open accessibility settings now. On Windows, use Win plus U. On Mac, use CMD plus Option plus F5, because that gets you straight to the controls. Once there, scan for screen reader, audio descriptions, or sound cues toggles, and toggle them off to stop immediate playback. You do this first so you avoid muting the whole system incorrectly. It targets accessibility audio versus other app sounds. Once done with system settings, move to apps and services because many tools run independently. You should open the assistive app, narrator, voiceover, talkback, or a third-party utility, and turn off spoken feedback and sound cues inside its preferences. Next, inspect services or startup programs and remove any auto-start entries so the feature does not re-enable itself. Make sure to save changes. If an app requires admin rights to change settings, grant them or use the app's uninstall option. To stop, you finish by confirming the change and handling problems. Restart the device so all toggles and services reload cleanly. After restart, trigger a notification or open the app that previously produced the sound to verify there is no accessible audio. If it still appears, reset accessibility settings to defaults or reinstall the offending app because leftover preferences can persist. One quick troubleshooting tip: create a new user profile. If the sound stops there, you know it was a user-level setting. You can now isolate and remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.